Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G34 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the Personalize section. Then let's simply tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see, there we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Under it, we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So My Photos, which is your gallery, Stylize, Dynamic, and Curated images. So basically, just tap on the option you'd like to use and find some beautiful wallpapers. So here we've got the animated ones. And all you have to do is to simply tap on this download icon in order to actually download the wallpaper. It will appear in this section, My Wallpapers. Let me quickly go back before it will be downloaded. Right here we've got the curated images. So basically here we've got some pre-installed options which will be available if you will have the internet connection. Alright, so let me quickly go back. Let's check this one, whether we will like it or not. Well, it's quite okay. So maybe this one. Maybe let's choose this one. So let's simply tap on set wallpaper, and as you can see, we've got this information, which means that the wallpaper has been applied successfully, as you can see. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.